So for 2016, the same method we are using. Inside this year, how much percentage of cash, account receivable, and inventory exists in total asset? And also for 2016, in total liability and equity, how much percentage of each element exists? The same formula we are applying here is this one divided by this one. So we haven't give the format of percentage in two after 0.2 digits. So the cash is about 8.7% of total. In total asset, the percentage of cash is 8.7%, which is current asset, and account receivable and this total asset is equal to 13.74%. Same as inventory, and total percentage is 44.7 divided by 220, 20%. So same as other current asset, 15.6 divided by 220.5, that is 1.07%. And next net fixed asset is equal to 47.48%. And same the other asset, and total asset is equal to 2.72%. So if we sum all this percentage, it will be equal to 100%. چرته موږ دا ټول راوځي کوی ګورو نو دا موږ سره څونه راځي 100% راځي. چې په دې 100% ټوټل اسټ کې موږ سره 8% تقریبا 9% راوند اباوت چې کو موږ سره داسو 9% موږ سره 8.7% موږ سره cash su 13.57% موږ سره account receivable su inventory موږ سره 20% of total asset 7.1% as other current asset. Net fixed asset is 47.5%. The margin of net fixed asset is very large, and there is no other item that have greater percentage in 47.5%. So 47.5% is the largest percentage there as net fixed asset. So in our current the total asset of this company, that the value of fixed asset is larger than the current asset. Same as for 2016, we can calculate account payable, how much account payable and total liability exists. This divided by total 0.1% percentage and 9.3%. So the percentage of account payable and total liability and equity is 9.3%. total account payable هغه شیان چې د شرکت په قرض باندې اخیستي دي، لکه خام مواد یا نور شیان چې دي، هغه 9.1% ټوټل لایبیلیټي، ټول قرضو کې 9% account payable د موږ سره. ټیکس پیبل موږ سره څونه ده؟ فیصدي ټیکس د ټوټل اسید په شرکت چقدر 5.8%. یعنی دائمی ټوټل قرضاجات و سرمایه که از 5% که از او ټیکس پیبل از اکروال لایبیلیتی که از پیش ما و چقدر 15.6 divided by 220.5 7.1% است. امیقسم اووردراف ما ببینیم 0.03 divided by 220 که 0.1% است. همچنان other current liability موږ سره وګورئ. other current liability تقسیم کومګه په total liability and equity باندې نو 6% موږ سره. دا څه long term liability موږ سره څونه دي 16.6%. نو کچرته موږ ایته متوجي سو نو current liability نه وګورئ، long term liability په مطابق باندې کم دي موږ سره. نو زیات پرسنټیج موږ سره long term liability، یعنی د شرکت long term liability زیاته ده، یعنی اوږدمهاله قرضې زیاتې اخیستې دي، نو دې دا مطلب دی چې شرکت به استه استه خپلې قرضې چې کوم ده هغه په آرام سره هغه پرداخت کوي او ورکوي به یې. دغسې موږ سره ادر لایبلیټي که موږ وګورو څونه ده موږ سره 0.5%. سټاک هولډر اکویټي څونه ده موږ سره، سرمایه د سهامدارانو نه زموږ لاسته راوړې ده هغه موږ سره 55%. نو په دې قرضو کې موږ سره د نیم نه زیات موږ سره سرمایه ده. په ټوټل لایبلیټي جمع اونر اکویټي کې موږ سره چې کوم هاف نه زیاته 55.1% چې ده هغه موږ سره سټاک هولډر اکویټي ده. Now these are the percentage of each element, each atoms, and the balance sheet we have. That is vertical common size analysis of the balance sheet, that we represent the each atoms and the balance sheet in a standardized form. So if we present the graph of this, so for this we are going to present the graph that is like this, not like this and this, and insert pie chart. That is the exact pie chart that we have for 2016, in which total cash is 9%, total account receivable is 14%, inventory is 20%, in which other current asset is 7%, net fixed asset is 47%, there is other current asset, and that is cash. So we have how many atoms? 1 2 3 4 5 6 atoms. 4 5 6. So these 6 atoms we can present in this form. په دې شکل کې موږ ګرافیکلی هم ریپرزینټ کوای سو دې طریقې سره، او موږ انټرپریټ کوای هم سو موږ که چېرته غواړو. اگر ما بخوایم که ای را انترپریت کنیم، انترپریت یعنی اینجا تشریح کنیم ای گراف را، اکثرا در ریسرچ شما دیدین که گراف که وقتی ما مندازیم در مونوگراف یا در ریسرچ پیپر او را ما چی میکنیم؟ باید انترپریت کنیم، توضیح کنیم، تشریح کنیم او را. پس ای را ما چی گونه تشریح کرده میتونیم؟ In the given graph the percentage of cash and total asset is equal to 9%, and 14% of the total asset exists of account receivable. Inventory contribute 20% in total asset, while other asset contribute 7%, and 47% is the part of net fixed asset and the total asset, and other asset representing 3% of the total asset. So that is the representation of the this diagram that we interpret that diagram, this chart. So we will put only 2016 in this. Same as for liability, we can also draw a chart. So we are going to insert chart of this one, or we can also put chart of this one. See, that is account payable, giving the percentage, or we can say this way: account payable 9.3%, tax payable 5.3%, accrual 7.1%, overdraft 7.1%, other current asset is like that. So each and every element is presenting its percentage in every point. So that is the representation of other another part of balance sheet that we presented and graphically. So for 2017 I am performing, and 2018 and 19 you should perform for this file as available in your MIS account. So you go for your MIS account and you can download this file. I will upload this file after this lecture. So same formula will be used for 2017, total divided by this total cash divided by total asset. So we haven't given the formula of percentage and one another after point. So for every element you should put the same thing. You should calculate every element in this table. That is the calculation of every. And here in every year and every year balance sheet, if we look, the percentage of net fixed asset is higher than all the other element exist in this statement. So we can use this way also, that this should be clear content. So if we click on it, the formula is okay. For every element the formula is okay. So this is a presentation of year 2015, 16 and 17 that we applied vertical common size analysis. Hope you understand all about this. Now I have the report of Azizi Bank balance sheet. We are trying to perform vertical common size analysis on this. So copy and paste. Let's do how to fit this. So let's to clear all this, not that content. I want only up to date clear content, and also clear that content to clear that content. So this is the now we can put the formula for both of these. We can put this formula and one for both of these. Also we can put this formula for all of these. Also we can put the formula. So let's start vertical analysis for Azizi Bank in 2017-2018. that is the real data. So total asset should be 100% for both the year, and cash and cash equivalent should be this divided by total asset. So that's 31.5%. Total cash and cash equivalent and total asset of Azizi Bank is 31.5%. Loan and advances to customer will be equal to this divided by total 18.3%. And investment of Azizi Bank, how much percentage? 31.8%. That is investment in a subsidiary, that will be equal to 4.4%. Investment in APS will be equal to 0.0%. their exact value, why this is 0.0% is equal to this divided by this $18,918. If you look to the calculator, how that come wrong, 18,918 divided by 40,454,691 is equal to multiply by 100 is equal to 0.04. yeah, at 0.04 if we have another point 0.05%. Property and equipment will be equal to, percentage of this will be higher, not that much higher. Intangible asset will also be equal to 0.1% of the total asset. Non-current asset held for sale 0.8%. Deferred tax to total asset 0.0%. Other asset they don't have proper name, that is the total asset, which is equal to C sum 100.0%. So we have 2018 Azizi Bank a vertical common size analysis we performed on asset side. Now on liability side we also can perform, and after that we will draw chart of this. Deposit from bank will be equal to 0.005% or so much, because that is too small value in their asset. And deposit from customer is a very huge percentage, that is 84.7%. that is why this is because of it is a financial institute, it is a bank, and its major part as deposits from customer. That's why deposit from customer is very huge, and that is a huge liability on the bank. And bank duty and work is also to provide to receive cash or money, currency from those people who have surplus of amount, and provide this facility to those who want a loan. That is the like a intermediate person at work and a financial market. So that's why it's a huge amount of customer deposit. Current tax and liability, how much percentage of the total liability and equity, that is 0.4%. Now equity side, share capital is equal to this much divided by this much, 13.3%, and this divided by this is equal to minus 0.1%, because this is a negative. Now retained earning, how much percentage? 1.6%. If we sum all of these here, 100.0% is the total. So the 2017 you should perform 2017. Now if we want to draw a diagram of this pie chart, this is the pie chart with percentage of each one. And sorry, we haven't select that column with it, and if we select that data, it will show us 3D is not available here, so insert, we will see up 2D. Why it's not showing? There must be some problem with it. So let's first select this, insert pie chart, this pie chart. So it's showing. Now we can select data, edit this one, select all these data. See, we have all the percentage is given here of each element, other asset, cash and cash equivalent, loan and advance, investment, and all other things are represented here. Now for liability, we are going to insert column chart, this one, and select data, edit, not this way. Let me first select up to this, only these, insert column like this. Now select data. For this we have to select these thing, this and this we have to select. Now see, it is showing it how much percentage of this, how much percentage of this. Now we can 84.7% deposit from customer, 13.3% share capital, and minus 0.10 earning current liability deposit. This is the 2016 Azizi Bank graphical representation of vertical common size analysis that we performed here. So see you in next lecture. Till next lecture, goodbye, have a nice time.